people about to eat now. Shit's about to change now.
Yeah, the employees of the year, yeah, we're back to work. We took time off while other rappers got jerked. Shit's about to change now. It's a shame how things ain't the same, but I'm back in the game now. And as we step in the door, we cause panic. Yep, the usual suspects, we at it. Vet status, yo in a week with the belt. Few chicks felt your style, now you're feeling yourself. Meet Jamaica, I dropped you was 8 years old. I got stock in your flow and crops to share hoes. Props with the pros, with cops with their go. Got tops in the foes, too hot to wear clothes, still me. Always having will be, ill G. It's silly to hate, but feel free. Hey, hear what I say? They gotta pay. And my return is like Christ, declare the holiday.
Back in the game now. Caught me some weed now. More people about to eat now. Shit's about to change now. Oh, back in the game now. All my niggas in the hood now. Oh, better catch up now. Shit's about to change now.
Y'all see him in the street struggling, young, dumb, and thuggin', give a fuck about nothing. Stuck at rock bottom, trying to come up on something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling. Vision, my nigga, now get in where you fitted. And see prison as just a high cost of living, the life. Andy up, cause if you blow that dice on that OZ, Dorothy ain't going home tonight. That's on everything. Put it on the kids and the white. Been burying my folk ever since they raised the price on the coke. Searching for a quick antidote. More money, more problems to cope.
We were at the same table when the chips were checked. A gambling rebel who inspects the deck. Just when you thought we would fold our hand. Against all odds, we raised the bet like we changed the plan. It was live on air, but in between station breaks, I was holding the pairs and just made the table stake. Split the demo, put insurance on